SaveOnCouriers.com is an Internet Web 2.0 darling. It is a company that aggregates same-day delivery services with a local workforce. We need to take the fact that we have a concept that we know that works and be able to provide it to a much larger audience. And the Tallwave program is designed specifically to help us do that. So it's a perfect fit between them, their expertise, and Tallwave really where they shine is in creating the relationships and getting the word out. We will be the 800-pound gorilla in the room. You will go to SaveOnCouriers.com because you just need to get this package from here to there for the cheapest, fastest, most reliable way.
Our company, Shop and Spa, is an e-commerce infrastructure company that provides back-end services and financial services and product distribution for health, beauty, and wellness practitioners, along with destination resorts and spas. So I think that Tallwave's contribution to our success will be that they bring us almost an instant network, or a national network that will enable us to expand very quickly. What we'd like to be able to see is that we can empower the health, beauty, and wellness practitioners themselves, because they're truly our customer, and they're the ones that really need help here.
Go Deep actually owns the Deep Enrichment Spa experience. It is a health modality that we've licensed that we're doing many things with. One of the things that we're doing is licensing high-end resorts, and we train their spa technicians to be able to perform this technique. Tallwave High Tide will be very beneficial. Just the level of expertise with all the different people that are involved with Tallwave, the name behind it is amazing, but they really have the vision and the support. I'd like to really change how we look at healthcare and how we look at the body and organic development.
Localwork.com is an employment resource to help connect local job seekers with local employers. High Tide, it gives us an experience. There's professionals, there's mentors, there's the utilities that we're going to be able to have that right now we might not have the access or resources to. They're going to allow us to have the mentorship program and get us to that next level. We feel like this is a concept that works. It helps connect local business owners with local talent. And if we can keep that focus and we can build that dream become a reality in Arizona, we know there's a lot of other markets across the country that can benefit from these tools.
My name is Ed Ledgerwood, and the company is Rain, and we have a property management workflow system that helps manage the process of a tenant from the very beginning, from a prospect to move into that residential property, clear through managing their whole stay there. We've been working and talking with Tallwave for about a year, and when this contest came up, it was a perfect opportunity for us. So we not only have a plan for this for the US and North American market, but also a worldwide market.
So we're in the mobile advertising field. About 3 years ago, we invented a new way to advertise on mobile phones and tablets that utilizes loading time or loading space. We expect to be in a much better position, even if we don't make the final 6, going forward with our company, just from the knowledge that they've shared. We want to be in every tablet and every mobile device and every application and every website. We feel that our full-page advertising really is the evolution of mobile advertising, as opposed to just a pop-up and a banner ad. We've changed the game a little bit, and we're hoping that it's adopted over the next 3 years and widespread.
Sure, Witnessry is an e-discovery tool. Basically, we dabble in the area of big data analytics. The High Tide experience overall, and Tallwave in particular, I think bring a lot to the table in terms of the expertise, the know-how, in trying to help small companies get out to market. Our goal for this year is basically to get out to market, get out of the beta release that we are in currently, get a few beta customers on board, hopefully turn them into customers very quickly, paying customers, and be a game changer.
Likely Products is no-fluff software designed to improve people's work life. And what we see within the workforce and enterprises across the world is that there isn't necessarily just one big problem that's trying to be solved, but there are lots of little problems, inactionable meetings. And so what we hope to accomplish with Tallwave High Tide is really infuse the resource, the information and the experience that they have as a team, as well as an interconnected ecosystem that they have, and infusing all of that into our business so that we can push the ball forward. Over the next 12 to 18 months, we hope to launch a number of those products in that interconnected business suite that we're going to be offering long term.
So Hiring Solved is Google for talent. What that means is we look for information specific to hiring somebody. That means we want every resume that ever exists. We want every social profile that ever exists. If you look at something like LinkedIn, there's 175 million profiles. It's growing at about 6 a minute. We have a copy of all of them. We're looking to Tallwave to give us access to business mentors and colleagues here in the Arizona area. In the next 12 to 18 months, we seek to continue to increase our revenues. Right now we're doubling revenue every month, and so we're just trying to keep on that trend. It's getting increasingly difficult, but that's our goal.
So we are Convert, and we are a marketing automation tool for businesses that are looking to run online campaigns. Tallwave has a great network of companies that they work with many other marketing agencies that we would like to channel in as our channel partners and build solutions that are very private, very niche to them. So in the next 5 years, we would definitely like to get an exit, obviously, but also build our company to a level where we are not only providing a niche solution to one specific market, but different verticals across.
Well, we are Fit Sponsors, and we're building a new mobile platform that's geared towards the average American user to get up off the couch more and go exercise and actually be able to win things of value from local companies, local sponsors. I'm hoping High Tide will introduce us to the other pieces of the puzzle, to some of the venture capital folks, to help us flesh out the market and really put the other pieces in place to build this thing and bring it to market. I think the Groupon model and all that have come after it, like your Living Socials, your Amazon logo, Google offers, I mean, there's tons that have come after Groupon. They're all in the same vein. So we want to build something that actually makes sense for advertisers, where there's loyalty built into the system, where they're going to get repeat business and build goodwill in their communities.
Smart Loyalty Programs is a nice little tablet. You put it to register. You just come in as a customer, enter your phone number, and the purchase amount is in there. It'll be attached to the POS real soon. And now you get your automatic rewards applied to your purchase automatically for having repeat business. So with Tallwave, we'll get the spreadsheet right, then take it to the funding partners. It's already prepped and primed, ready to go. So now we can get right to business on being able to line ourselves up with the funding and the partnership. That's what I'm looking forward to on that. So in 5 years, right now, I'd like to see us get funded in this thing, of course, get onto the 6, find myself a good funding partner, someone that wants to work with the company, not just throw money at it. That wouldn't work. And then after that, we grow this thing each year, getting more and more merchants, expanding our enterprise, expanding our product list. There's a full product plan of how this thing goes.
So video is actually a pivot from my previous company, MemberDesk, which created membership sites. And the software was great, the people using it liked it a lot, but I noticed that everybody was using it to sell videos. Video is going to be a lot more valuable the more people that go there. Its value grows exponentially, and High Tide will just help me grow video to that size. In the next 5 years, I'm hoping that video will grow and start to become a household name for the people that are looking for niche video content, and especially for video producers, filmmakers, and other people that have that content to sell.
Local Lotto is a deals platform by and for local merchants. Well, and I'm looking forward to pitch night next week because I really want to get to know the other finalists and semi-finalists in a lot more detail. I really think that we're at the beginning of something interesting. 5 years from now, truthfully, I will have exited it successfully. I will be working on hopefully my second, possibly my third startup. So I want to be in somewhat of a mentor role, something where I might not have had that person in my life, and I know the struggles that I had to go through. If I can help make the journey a little easier for someone else, then that would be rewarding for me.
So Neek is a social image-based platform for lifestyle discovery and sharing. So you can share things like items that you own, places you go, and food you eat. Sort of a mix between Pinterest and Instagram, but there's some pretty key differences on on the type of content that you share. Basically, just through all their resources and through their versatility with the technology side of things, and we just really feel like that with product validation, they'll really be able to help us get to market. We feel like we will build a really useful platform for Google or Amazon or one of the big retailer companies, Facebook even, to be able to use it in order to monetize their strategy.
Sunsonics is producing biodegradable, biocompatible chemistries that are removing trace metals from high-tech devices. We will be put in contact with potential end users, capital, people who can streamline our activities because we are all geeks, and well, business practices always need refinement. So I think that's one of the biggest things that I can get out of High Tide. We want to become the leading provider of biodegradable chemistry that can be used in photovoltaics as one potential application.
Renovation Planners is a digital media company where Susie Orman meets Angie's List that helps homeowners prevent and protect themselves from budget overruns, construction delays, and shady contractors. Well, High Tide will help me achieve my vision because it's all about bringing together intellectual capital. So we're able to come together as a team to grow the business or build the business based on everyone's expertise. I actually see our company being acquired by a Home Depot or Lowe's. There's a lot of players out there in the home improvement industry that are focusing on aesthetic remodeling choices or finding contractors. And we're actually showing homeowners how to get projects done right, on time and on budget.
So G-Extreme, we are building the next generation of the sports network for video gamers. I think High Tide will help G-Extreme achieve our vision, particularly in two areas. One is in channel partnerships, and the second probably also on the marketing and PR side. Our ambition is to be the ESPN of video gaming as a spectator sport. So what our platform allows them to do is live stream their game to the people who can watch the whole thing, and then connect with and clip out the best moments of their gameplay, and we automate the process of finding those relevant moments.
Creative Allies is a community of designers who every day get a chance to create the art and merchandise for bands, record labels, music festivals, TV shows. I think we've got a great business model, we've got a great team, and so really having someone else take a look at your company, getting that perspective, sometimes you get new ideas, which has been very true in this case. It just takes a little more to the team to take it at the next level. So love kind of seeing our company reflected through High Tide. We're already expanding into the film space, the TV space, the sports space. They all want to use our platform as a way to resonate what they're doing and engage fans.
GreenRx marketplace that allows pharmacies to find prescriptions in short supply. I think the Tallwave team and the knowledge and the infrastructure that Tallwave carries can significantly help us get to that vision much faster. And I'm really looking forward to that. In a long run, we want to gain more capital, we want to raise funding and invest in R&D and build upon the foundation, the foundation that we have created. And down the road, 4 or 5 years from now, potential buyout, either through IPO, the public offering, or potential acquisition with a channel partner would be an ideal scenario for us.